gutom na ba?
Sir, makato na to, makaon.
Pero kung gusto,
Pwede,
pwede.
para sila.
Yes, pwede.
Usually may mga events, sir, they want something para sa celebrant pala. Something different. O, pwede. We can serve.
Wow.
Si sir may saot-saot pa, oh.
Yeah.
Grabe.
So once again, may arrange siya sa jalapeno, right,
Yes,
sir?
sir.
So medyo
Jalapeno.
spicy.
Pwede. It's all there. Ilan na, sir? Pwede git. Nagutuman ko. Wala riyot, ha?
She just wants a lot of no one will come. She's got to save him. She tells him, ooh, love, no one's ever gonna hurt you, love. I'm gonna make my life. You're gonna go and
Wow, doon ka namin, kid, yeah?
I'm gonna do what I got to do.
So once again, sir, from the visit Niños Burritos lang anytime and check out our new menus. And of course, Subong, today, since we are celebrating Cinco de Mayo and we have this giant burrito eating contest, at the same time, may ara kami Subong launching isang Blue Lemonade.
Blue lemonade?
Yes, sir.
I want to
Pwede
try
kasi
that
para sa
later.
summer. So later, we'll try the Blue Lemonade. Yes.
By the way, sir,
Yes,
so
sir.
thank you to Amazing Planet. Siyempre, they are covering our event.
Okay, mga supporters sa ating contestant, give support na. Medyo, ano na sila, kaya na.
Kaya
Okay,
pa?
kaya
Kaya
pa.
pa? Yes, si Sir Gasaot pa. Very active and lively.
Oh, yung sargasaot pa rin siya.
Oh, you can see.
Gagsa kaginatan na kanya sa aga sa mga naka-avail sang free burrito naton from 12 to 2 p.m. Thank you so much for sharing and like our page. So, dami gid nga salamat. We hope you guys enjoyed. Kag balik-balik lang sa Niños Burritos.
Yes. So I think everyone, kung sino pa wala naka-dinner, you might want to try Niños Burritos. It's actually a Mexican, right? Inspired Filipino restaurant.
Yes. Hindi na lang nagkaon. It's okay, we still have time. May 1 hour pa ta.
Oh, take your time. 1 hour,
May 1
kaya.
hour pa kaya. Tapos ang 1 hour
Kaya,
pwede.
1 hour.
Wala problema. Sir, hands up.
Hindi na get sir, kaya na.
Sir, hindi na kaya. Hindi mo pa, sir. It's okay.
Hindi na kaya, sir. Busog na. Sir, you will still receive a consolation prize. And of course, you will take home your burrito. Basi ka raw ng gutumon ka, pwede get. So, okay. You will receive a consolation prize. So, we still have 4 more. Ha?
Sir, na-stop na ng time. Kanagan up na.
Na-stop na, sir.
Oh. We have to be fair sa tanan nga. Ano, sir?
Yes.
Wala sa...
Sir, hindi pagpilito na. Hindi pagpilito.
Back up. Contestants, don't worry ha. We're going to stop. Hands up lang. Then kiluhunta na lang ang bilin nyo.
Yes.
Para hindi na ka mabubudla yan. Oh, okay. Mga supporter.
May mga
Okay.
supporters. Sige, be. Sige, be. Alright, grabe yung supporters. Be, your loudest cheer!
So,
Okay.
just raise both your hands. Ayan si ma'am. Sige ma'am, kiluhutan na lang karon. No problem ma'am. Basi madaog ka pa. May chance pa. Okay, so we're down to 3 contestants.
3 contestants. So we have third, second, and our winner.
Yeah.
So, ma'am, don't worry because you'll receive a consolation prize, which is the t-shirt that you're wearing and, of course, membership card.
Yeah. So, reminder lang, if hindi na kaya, pwede na hands up, i-wait na lang inyo nga bilin. Okay?
So, ano? Kaya pa? Mag-an?
Okay, i-wait na lang, din nyo na lang i-wait, oh. Para balata kung sino ang winner.
Okay.